Okay, this is an update video using Forex Diamond. I did test out some other free robots, but sadly they did not work. So we need to keep the paid ones. So first of all, if you want to use this robot also, use the link you see all the way up in the right corner there. And you can use this robot today. Cost a little money, but trust me, it's well worth it. So you can see over there now, the profit. You see I just got a trade finalized right now. And you can see it was a profit trade. It was a sell trade in profit. So we have made $59 profit since I started to use Forex Diamond. This is for 3 weeks. Yes, it's $59. It's not crazy money, I know that, but this robot also don't cost that much. It's a little more than $100 for this robot. So I will say it's well worth it when you make with a smallest lot size. Yes, I started with just $100, so we're going to grow this count quite big. Be sure about that. So you can see the balance, if you see it there right now, if you can see it, it's $207 the balance we have currently. So I will say this account will grow quite fastly. It's not all with this robot, of course. With this robot, it's $59 in 3 weeks. Will be 3 weeks when this week is done, so it's still a few days left. So I'll say it's a good update. I will be better to make updates about this robot, show the trades and all this good stuff. So Friday, I will make a new video where we'll have all the trades, all the things, what happened for this week, and all this good stuff for you. So you're able to follow this robot before you get it. But I will say this is a good investment. And the ones that get this robot, make sure you email me so you can get the setup I'm using. Because the setup the robot comes with is not as good as the setup I have made for it. So it's a set file you can use, okay? So if you want this robot with the correct set file, then make sure you email me after. If you don't have an email, just ask for it and I give it for you, okay? So with that, have an amazing day.